So what in the world is going on with this?
It's leaking.
Now, just because I said that, I will get harassed about this video. So what this is the air conditioner runs, and what happens is this right here is going to be hot out the top in the summertime. So the refrigerant goes in there in a vapor form under a low pressure. The air conditioner makes it a high pressure vapor, then it goes out as a high pressure vapor through this coil, turns into a liquid refrigerant. It goes over to the evaporator up in the attic, which is cold, and it's a liquid hot. It goes through a small metering device that lowers the pressure from maybe 275 pounds of pressure, 300 pounds of pressure, to 70 pounds of pressure. And what happens is that makes it real cold. So that's your coil inside. So the air conditioning air that's being pulled across that coil is cold, the air is hot. It causes condensation. So the condensation is the water that builds up on your evaporator coil, and then it runs out down your coil. It runs out of a PVC or some type of a pipe, and it runs outside, and that's what this is. This is the humidity that is in the house that the air conditioner is pulling out. So if you got a house that's extremely humid, but it's cool, but it's humid, then your air conditioner inside is probably oversized. It's too big of an air conditioner for the house because it's not running long enough to pull the humidity out. There's a very fine line on pulling that humidity out, and it needs to be an air conditioner that's sized properly. So if you're having a problem with high humidity in your home, maybe call a certified air conditioning guy, have them come out there and check it out for you. But if you're not seeing this, if you're in the middle of the summer and it's a humid outside and everything, and you're not seeing this water run out, I mean at a steady drip like that, that will tell you that your air conditioner is not doing its job. So you may need to get that fixed.